Hello, Ashagi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question?
Yes, what would you do if you get back to Nigeria and your landlord gives you a quick notice because of house rent?
Quick notice. Hello, laughing outside Lagos. Why God go receive? He go receive a water visitor.
Holy Ghost fire.
You go reach heaven like this, Angel Gabriel goes waiting account for heaven. Baba God no call you. I go say make you no worry. We can't do excursion. Wait, which house? Which house? I want to say that house will be like waiting. National Democracy Party they put their ballot box. Why like the foundation go approved? Because you go say what? The abnormal catalog is a reservoir in application. Thank you.
My friend, come on, put your senses together.